Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Everyday morning, waking up, brushing teeth, doing physical exercise, drinking milk, having bath, having breakfast and getting ready to school are some of the activities we do. Every day such activities happens, don't they? In life, there are many such repeating patterns. In fact, eat, study, play, sleep is a pattern repeating daily. We can see that some patterns are getting repeated in columns so as to get longer columns. Bees make hives which are formed by the increasing pattern of hexagons when they can store optimum amount of honey and feed themselves during winter. In the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7 and it goes on. The pattern which generates these numbers are 0 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, it goes on. In the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, the pattern which generates these numbers are 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, goes on. As for now, we just recall the previous knowledge of yours about the patterns. Today, let us have a glance on the concept of Fibonacci numbers and its importance of Fibonacci number in nature. Fibonacci was an Italian mathematician who developed the Fibonacci sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34 goes on. Can you guess the next number in the special number sequence given here? Are you able to recognize the pattern in the above sequence? Yes. If we add the previous two consecutive terms, we get the next term. That is, 13 plus 21 is 34. And next, 21 plus 34 is 55. This special pattern of numbers is called Fibonacci number. What's special about this Fibonacci sequence? We could come across the existence of Fibonacci numbers everywhere around us. One such existence of Fibonacci numbers is in the petals of flower. For example, the number of petals in wild rose is 5. The number of petals in delphiniums is 8, which is a Fibonacci number. The number of petals in marigold flower is 13, which is again a Fibonacci number. Kikori is a flower with petals 21. And plantain is a flower with petals 34, which is again a Fibonacci number. Is it not interesting? Next, the Fibonacci sequence is found everywhere, even in bees. According to the bee ancestry code, all male honeybees only have one parent, while female honeybees have two. This results in the number of ancestors at each level of a male honeybee family tree to represent the number of Fibonacci sequence. That's just two examples of how Fibonacci number are important in nature, and there are many more. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.